Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Blueberry blondies, take one. All right, guys, this sounds like a good one. I haven't done it before. You're going to be the first with me to do it here. So first off, we need 1 stick of butter, so a half a cup of butter. We're going to put that in the pan, and all we're going to do is just melt that. Maybe.
If you can get it out of there.
You could probably do it in the microwave if you want, but we're going to take that butter and pour it over the white chocolate chips that we're using.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we'll be right back. All right, I got my butter melted and it's pretty hot. We don't want to brown it though. Not that that would hurt, but it'd take longer for it to cool. So I have a half a cup of white chocolate chips in there. And then we're going to pour our butter over top of that to melt those together. And then we whisk till we get those all incorporated.
Butter and white chocolate, how can it not be good?
Exactly. 2 of my favorite things.
Mm-hmm.
Get these all melted. And then we're going to let that sit for just a little bit to cool off and thicken a little bit, because we don't want to have scrambled eggs in our blondies.
Yeah, that might not be good.
Okay. All right, we're cooled down. I have a half a cup of sugar, or 1 cup of sugar that we're going in. Description box, ingredients will be in there.
Yes, you'll have the right amounts in the box.
Sometimes. You can't trust me. All right, so we're going to whisk this a little bit, get that all together. Here I go again. Don't want to hear that rattling on the table. We're going to fix this in an 8x8 pan. If you only got a 9x9, use it. Whatever you want to use. So that little bit of warm butter and those chocolate chips will melt a little bit of this sugar, start to get it incorporated. Then we're going to add in 2 eggs. Just like that. All right. And a half a teaspoon of vanilla, teaspoon. We ain't picky. Whatever you want to use. Oops.
As much as you want.
Oops. That's a bigger hole than what the little bottle is. All right, so there's that. We're going to mix that up. I'm not using my mixer. You don't want to, on brownies, you don't want to mix too much. All right. And here, we're going to put in 1 cup of all-purpose flour.
Just like that.
Just like that. And a half a teaspoon of salt. We're just doing that. And we're going to pour that into here.
Which one are you going to do?
I'm going to do this.
Oh.
Going to do this. If I can. We're going to mix a little bit first here. Whoops.
Might have been easier with the mixer.
Yeah, I know, but you're not supposed to with brownies.
Oh.
It mixes it too much. You don't want to mix it a whole lot.
Oh.
I remember on a brownie box, when I used to make them like that, it's like whisk 50 times. Specific amounts. Okay. So then we're going to put in blueberries. Because we're making blueberry blondies. Okay, we're just going to... I have about 3/4 cup. Use half cup, whatever you want to use. I had 3/4 left in a bag, so that's what I'm using. Mine are frozen. And we'll put a little bit of flour in there and mix that up somehow. Because the flour is supposed to keep it from all your berries falling to the bottom. So you coat them a little bit with some flour. Put a little bit more in on there. All right. Now we're going to put them in there. And just whisk around just a little bit. Get some of them berries incorporated.
That's got to be a good mixture.
Yeah. It's like we've never had this before, guys. Most of my recipes on here anymore, I've never made. So we're just trying them together. We haven't really come across any that we haven't liked. So we're doing good. All right, so we're going to put it in our 8x8 pan. Let me get that prepared, and we'll be right back. All right, we got our pan ready. Use whatever kind of spray you want, or parchment paper, which is easiest.
Or butter. Or...
whatever you want. So here we are. This is a thick dough, guys. So we're just going to put it in there and make sure we get it even all the way around. Or close enough. Nothing has to be perfect here. Just has to be done.
Kind of like horseshoes. Get as close as you can.
All right. Now we're just going to press her down a little bit. How could that not be good?
I'm saying.
All right. 350 degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes. We'll be back. All right. We got it out of the oven. It was in my oven for the 45 minutes. And the last few minutes, I went and put something over the top of a piece of aluminum foil. Just laid it on top of it so it wouldn't get any darker. And it's still warm, so it might still be a little... not set up inside, but, you know, you like brownies a little fudgy. Even
I do.
These don't have fudge, but they got the chocolate in them.
Look at that.
Still warm. It's steaming, but we're going to give it a try.
You could even put some glazing over that, couldn't you?
Yep. Lemon glaze.
Oh, that would be good.
Yeah. All right.
Maybe we'll have to do that.
Yeah. Here we go. We're steaming, so.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty good, guys. And like he said, if we put some lemon on top of that, bring out some more flavor in that. Good. The white chocolate. Give it a try, guys. And you could even switch out the vanilla extract for lemon and put it in it. So, or lemon juice. That'd be good too. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype, please. And help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Blueberry blondies. Yum.
Later, Gator.